Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about the past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense and how we will use the past perfect tense. Let's start our topic. The past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? The definition is those actions which had occurred in past. Those actions which had occurred in past before another action. Before another action. Those actions which had occurred in past before another action. Occurred mean वाकया हुआ. वाकया हुआ. Those actions which has occurred in past मतलब वो काम जो past में वाकया हुआ हो, जो past में हुआ हो. Before another action. दूसरे काम से पहले, जो काम पहले हुआ हो, माजी में हुआ हो, दूसरे काम से पहले, उसे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कहते हैं. उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. आफ्टर दैट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब? हैड. हैड इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. The helping verb mean which helps the sentence. Helping verb mean which helps the sentence. Then the positive formula is there. Positive formula. What is the positive formula of this tense? Before I told you people one thing, remember one thing, in every perfect tenses we are using third form verb. Third form of verb in every perfect tenses. Now here the positive formula is there. Subject plus helping verb plus third form verb plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus third form verb plus object plus full stop. We are using third form verb after helping verb. Now in sentence I will understand to you people. They had played chess. They had played chess. Chess is a kind of game. They had played chess. Now subject is there, helping verb is there, now third form verb is there. After that object, then full stop. Now look at here, we are using third form verb. The same we are using third form verb after helping verb. Subject is there, they is our subject, head is our helping verb, play is our third form verb. After that object and full stop. This is the positive example and the positive formula. The next is negative formula. Negative formula. What is negative formula? Subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form verb plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form verb plus object plus full stop. So this is the negative formula. And how we'll write the negative example? The negative example is they had not played chess. They had not played chess. This is our subject, head is our helping verb, not is there. After that, then played is our third form verb. After that, object is there, then full stop is there. This is the negative example, this is the negative formula. Subject is there, then helping verb is there, then not is there, then third form verb is there, after that the object is there at the last, then full stop is there. So this is the negative formula and the negative example. The last is interrogative formula. Interrogative formula. What is the interrogative formula? Helping verb plus subject plus third form verb plus object plus what will come? The question mark will come. Subject plus helping verb plus subject plus third form verb plus object plus question mark. Why we are using question mark, you will know better than me, because it is the interrogative formula. It is the interrogative formula, and the same as a formula we are using our sentence. We can make our sentence. Now the third sentence is there. Interrogative sentence is there. Had he played chess? Had he played chess? Now had is our helping verb. He is our subject. Played is our third form verb. Then object is there. Then question mark. Now here is the same. I will give the arrows. Helping verb plus subject plus third form verb plus object plus question mark. So this is the interrogative formula and the interrogative example. So this was our past perfect tense. If you people have any question regarding this topic, regarding past perfect tense, so I am ready to answer you. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.